Winter is here, and with it come rising heating bills. But what if some of the things you've been doing to save energy are actually costing you more? Today, we're busting some of the most common myths about home heating and energy efficiency to help you save money and stay cozy. Let's dive in. One popular myth is that turning your thermostat way down at night or while you're away will save energy. While lowering the thermostat by 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit can help, dropping it too much can make your system work overtime to reheat your home. A programmable thermostat is a great tool to automate temperature changes and keep your system running efficiently. Another misconception is that closing vents in unused rooms saves heat. It seems logical, but modern HVAC systems are designed to distribute air evenly. Closing vents disrupts airflow, causing pressure imbalances that can reduce efficiency and even damage the system. Instead of shutting vents, focus on sealing drafts and improving insulation. Many people believe that space heaters are always a cheaper alternative to central heating. While space heaters can provide quick, localized warmth, they often use a lot of electricity. If you're running several for long periods, the cost can outweigh the savings. They're best used sparingly for short-term heating in small areas. Turning the thermostat up higher to heat your home faster is another common myth. Thermostats control the final temperature, not the speed at which your home heats up. Cranking it up doesn't warm the house faster, but it can overwork your system and increase energy bills. A steady, comfortable setting is the smarter choice. Many assume that bigger heating systems are more efficient, but that's not the case. Oversized systems tend to short cycle, meaning they don't run long enough to properly heat or dehumidify the air, leading to inefficiencies and higher costs. Properly sizing your HVAC system is critical for both comfort and savings. Some people skip winter HVAC maintenance, thinking it's unnecessary if the heater isn't used as often as the air conditioner. This is a costly mistake. Winter maintenance focuses on different parts of your system, ensuring efficiency, preventing breakdowns, and improving indoor air quality. Finally, relying on heavy curtains to block drafts from old windows might seem like a quick fix, but it doesn't address the real issue. Drafty windows allow significant heat loss, and while curtains help somewhat, replacing old windows with energy-efficient models is the long-term solution to save money on heating bills. Want to make sure your heating system is running efficiently and saving you money all winter long? Join Anthem's Comfort Club. Members receive regular maintenance, exclusive discounts, and peace of mind knowing their HVAC system is in top shape year-round. Visit Anthem Comfort Club to learn more and sign up today. Stay warm, save more, and let us take care of the rest.